Today our chef Afsan from the farm's kitchen has an easy-to-make recipe for you. Here is a recipe for broccoli mushroom stir-fry for viewers like you. Broccoli and mushroom stir-fry. Let's see what the ingredients are for this healthy dish. 2 cups broccoli florets. 1 cup sliced mushrooms, such as cremini or button mushrooms. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, grated. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Optional, 1 tablespoon stir-fry sauce, such as oyster sauce or hoisin sauce. Salt and pepper to taste. Optional toppings, sesame seeds, sliced green onions. Prepare the vegetables. Wash the broccoli florets and slice the mushrooms. Mince the garlic and grate the ginger. Heat the oil. In a large skillet or wok, heat the vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Sauté the garlic and ginger. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger to the hot oil. Stir-fry for about 1 minute until fragrant. Add the vegetables. Add the broccoli florets and sliced mushrooms to the skillet. Stir-fry for about 3 to 4 minutes until the vegetables start to soften but still retain their crispness. Season the stir-fry. Pour the soy sauce over the vegetables and toss to coat evenly. If desired, add the optional stir-fry sauce for additional flavor. Stir-fry for another 1 to 2 minutes until the vegetables are well coated and heated through. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve. Remove the skillet from the heat and transfer the stir-fry to a serving dish. Sprinkle with sesame seeds and sliced green onions for added garnish, if desired. Enjoy. Serve the broccoli mushroom stir-fry as a side dish or as a main course over steamed rice or noodles. Enjoy it while it's hot. Feel free to customize this stir-fry by adding other vegetables or proteins like tofu, chicken, or shrimp. Adjust the seasoning according to your taste preferences. Happy cooking! Thank you for watching and subscribing to our channel.